ready for one of the biggest innovations in the health and wellness industry? Are you ready for the first non-invasive sugar trend measurement device? The wait is over. VYVO Extense is here now. VYVO Extense is one of the most sophisticated and groundbreaking blood glucose devices on the market. Today, WGN is delighted to present a new phase in the technology evolution of this industry, and you are the leading actor in it. How? By simply using your brand new VYVO Extense. As any adaptive innovation, VYVO Extense needs to learn more about you to further perfect its measurements and accuracy. So, let's work together with the Sugar Trend app learning phase. It's super easy. Just follow these simple steps. Download the Sugar Trend app from the VYVO App Store. The app is available on the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, and the VYVO App Store. Register with your VYVO account. Insert your email or phone number to log in using your VYVO account. Agree with the legal terms and conditions and get your access code via SMS or email. Pair your VYVO Extense device. Enable your smartphone's Bluetooth and start the Sugar Trend app. Follow the introductory wizard and follow the simple instructions to pair your VYVO Extense. Start the learning phase measurement. Choose Initial Learning Phase in the app dashboard. Calibrate your VYVO Extense using a traditional glucose measurement testing device. Insert your measurements taken with a regular glucose test machine. Select the timing measure. Insert at least 3 measurements. The best time for these measurements are before breakfast, between 30 and 60 minutes after lunch, and at least 2 hours after lunch. Place your finger in your Extense. Make sure your finger covers all the sensors located on the bottom, on the left side, and the finger socket as shown in the illustration. Wait for the measurement to be completed. Wait for completion of the measurement and for the data to upload into the cloud. You can compare your PPG signal waveform with the example signals and, if needed, repeat the measurement. Check your results. Just remember, the more measurements you provide, the better the accuracy of Sugar Trend app and your test results will be. Be part of the VYVO Extense and Sugar Trend app revolution. Let's change the world by achieving one innovation at a time.